Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the lights on your DeWALT battery charger suddenly start blinking, staying solid, or showing patterns you do not fully understand, you are definitely not the only one wondering what everything means. Sometimes the charger flashes differently than expected, while other times the battery seems connected but charging behavior looks confusing. Since DeWALT battery chargers use light signals to explain charging status, temperature conditions, or battery progress, understanding those patterns can help you avoid guessing what is happening. The good part is that most charger lights are simply giving quick information rather than pointing to something serious. In this video, let's go through several easy ways to understand DeWalt battery charger light meanings. Try these. Step 1. Insert the battery into the DeWalt battery charger and watch the first light response. Step 2. Check if the DeWalt battery charger shows a solid light for charging progress. Step 3. Notice blinking patterns on the DeWalt battery charger if charging pauses unexpectedly. Step 4. Let the DeWalt battery charger cool briefly if battery temperature seems too high or low. Step 5. Remove and reconnect the battery to the DeWalt battery charger if lights look unusual. Step 6. Recheck the DeWalt battery charger and confirm the light pattern becomes easier to understand.